Within Autodesk Tandem, users can be added to the portfolio or to a specific facility. Within a facility, click Users to access the User Management panel. Here you can adjust access of existing users as well as add additional users. To add a user, enter their email address, set their permission level to read, edit, or manage, and click Invite. To edit permissions of an existing member, click the drop-down next to their existing permission level and adjust as necessary. To remove a user from a facility, click the X and then confirm by clicking Yes.